Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Emma here with a rather surprising turn of events in the cryptocurrency world, involving none other than Changpeng Zhao, the former CEO of Binance. Reports indicate that Zhao, also known as CZ, has been sentenced to 4 months in prison after pleading guilty to violating U.S. money laundering laws at Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Once considered a prominent figure in the crypto industry, CZ now finds himself facing a prison term, becoming the second major crypto executive to do so. This development sheds light on the increasing scrutiny faced by cryptocurrency exchanges and their executives. The sentence, handed down by U.S. District Judge Richard Jones in Seattle, was shorter than what prosecutors sought, but still marks a significant legal blow to Zhao. Interestingly, it's notably lighter compared to other recent cases, such as Sam Bankman-Fried's 25-year sentence. Despite the relatively lenient sentence, prosecutors expressed satisfaction with the outcome, highlighting the importance of holding individuals and entities accountable for compliance with financial regulations. That wraps up our coverage of Changpeng Zhao's sentencing. Stay tuned to Juxtello iTech for more updates on this evolving story and other developments in the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, stay informed.